Are you so tired of staring at download bars? What if I told you that you could jump straight into a brand new game with your friends, like right now? Well, today we're going to unlock the world of instant gaming, where pretty much the only thing you have to wait for is the match to start.
You know the feeling, right? It's the ultimate buzzkill. You're all hyped up for a new game, you've got your friends ready to go in the chat, and then you're stuck looking at a progress bar for what feels like an actual eternity. All that excitement just kind of drains away. But what if that whole frustrating process just didn't exist?
Well, guess what? It doesn't have to. Welcome to the world of browser-based gaming. We're talking about a massive universe of incredible games you can play instantly, with zero downloads and zero installations. This is where the fun begins the second you click play. But look, it's not just about skipping the wait, even though that part is awesome. There is so much more to love about instant gaming that goes way beyond just convenience. Let's really break down why this is such a game changer.
So, what exactly are we talking about here? The easiest way to think about it is like streaming a movie instead of downloading the whole file. Browser-based games just run right there on the web page. You find the game you like, you click the button, and boom, you're in. It is really, truly that simple.
Yeah, the convenience is a no-brainer, but the accessibility, that's what makes this so revolutionary. It opens up high-quality gaming to pretty much everyone, no matter what kind of computer you have. And thanks to all the modern web technology we've got now, you can get amazing graphics and super smooth gameplay right in your browser without needing some beast of a gaming rig.
All right, so are you ready to jump in? You are not going to believe how ridiculously easy it is to get started. Let's just walk you through the super simple setup that, let's be honest, you probably already have.
Okay, this is the best part. You are almost definitely set up to play this very second. Modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge are all perfectly optimized for instant gaming. So yeah, the software part, it's already handled.
The only other piece of this puzzle is a stable internet connection. And no, you don't need some crazy fast top-of-the-line hookup. A standard broadband connection, we're talking around 5 megabits per second, is totally fine for a smooth, lag-free multiplayer experience. So you've got the browser, you've got the connection, but what about the games? Okay, get ready to have your mind blown by the sheer variety here. Let's explore some of the amazing worlds that are just waiting for you, a single click away. You've got these absolute legends like Miniclip and Congregate, which are basically virtual treasure chests, just packed with everything from action shooters to mind-bending puzzles. And hey, don't sleep on platforms like Facebook. It's become a huge hub for finding your next favorite casual or social game to play with all your friends. Okay, first up, for all you thrill seekers out there, let's dive into the action and adventure genre. If you're looking for a shot of pure adrenaline, this is definitely where you're going to find it. We are talking about heart-pounding action, intense competition, and epic team missions, all ready to launch instantly. No setup, no waiting, all rush. And believe it or not, this includes some of the biggest names in gaming. Now, you might be wondering how that works. Well, it's all thanks to these incredible cloud gaming services. They let you stream blockbuster titles, so you can jump into battle royales like Fortnite, team up in Overwatch, or get into some fast-paced shootouts in Apex Legends, all without a single download. It's kind of magic.
But what if you're looking for more of a brain workout, something that tests your wits instead of your reflexes? Well, in that case, you are going to love the world of strategy and puzzle games.
This is where your mind is your greatest weapon. It's all about outsmarting your opponents, planning out your next 10 moves, or working with your team to crack these really complex, super satisfying puzzles.
And you get to pick your flavor of challenge. Do you want that slow, methodical, chess-like intensity of turn-based strategy? Or maybe the frantic, high-stakes, quick decision-making of a real-time strategy game? Or hey, maybe you just want to team up with your friends and solve some puzzles that no one could figure out alone.
Okay, but what if you're looking for more than just a quick match? What if you want a world to get completely lost in? A second life almost. If that's you, then you'll want to check out the universe of MMOs and RPGs. Get ready to explore these massive new worlds. Build your own unique character from the ground up and join a living, breathing community of players from all over the world. This is gaming as a journey.
Whether you're building a magical kingdom from scratch in a fantasy world like Elvenar, or you're commanding a huge fleet of starships in a sci-fi epic like O-Game, these games offer unbelievably deep experiences that can keep you hooked for months, or honestly, even years.
But let's be real, gaming is almost always better with friends.
So how do you get your own private game going with your crew? It is way, way easier than you think. Let's just show you how it's done.
It's this simple. First, you all just pick the game you want to play. Next, look for a button that says something like Create Private Room. The game will then generate a unique code or a special link. All you have to do is share that link with your friends, they click it, and boom, they're in your private session in seconds. Seriously, that's it.
Okay, but before you dive headfirst into this amazing world, there's one quick but super important thing we need to cover: staying safe online. A great gaming experience is a safe one, so let's just go over a few quick tips to make sure it's always fun. Just remember, you are in complete control of your online experience, so take a second to check out your privacy settings in any new game you play, and never, ever be afraid to use the tools they give you. The mute and report buttons are your superpowers for shutting down any negativity. You have the power to keep your gaming space positive and fun for everybody.
So there you have it. The barriers are gone. The downloads are history. An entire universe of gaming is now literally at your fingertips, ready whenever you are. Your next great adventure is just one single click away. So, with thousands of worlds to choose from, what will you play first?